guys, this is FrameGame TV here with you yet again with another video, and this is no gameplay video, I have to tell you guys. And as I've promised, it will be a tutorial video, so here we go. We're going to start a tutorial, the HTML tutorials, with which you guys can make websites. And I'm sorry for this, right. So what you guys will need is an internet connection, which of course you guys have if you're watching this video. And you need a browser, and about that you need NOTEPAD. That's what we're going to use to make HTML pages. And as you can see here, this folder, web and game developments, this is the folder where I store all my HTML pages, for which we've made our channel's website, official website. It's out, and I've promised that I'd be releasing, I'd be sharing the website with you guys in this exact video, and that's what I have here with me. This is the website which you guys can check out, www.framesofgames.weebly.com. If you guys did not get it, the link is in the description below. You guys can go and check it out. And the best thing is you guys have to sign up over here so that we get feedback, but that's not the best stuff. See, if you guys sign up with this, yeah, let's just yeah, and mail, submit, and then you come to the news feed. As this was the previous video which I just added. It was August 6th and today is August 7th, so you guys have all the news about latest videos. It won't come before this video, our YouTube story, because I started developing it after our YouTube story. So I decided to make this website with our YouTube story as the first video, and then the news section, new discuss section, is the comment section. It is not out yet. And the best thing about this website, you don't have to go and find for the game which we have played in our channel. You guys just have to press tongue slip games played by us, and there's Dead Man's Journey, Lick, and the under development file. You guys can download it from here. There is no game. You guys can play this game not through our website. It will send you to the link where we've played this game. And now, as you guys have seen the website, now let us get on with our tutorials. So as we need Notepad for making HTML websites, we are going to start up, and this video is going to be 15 minutes. And the first thing we're going to do in this video is the basics of HTML. So in HTML there are tags and attributes. Tags, we start the HTML document with the tag HTML. This is the opening tag of the HTML page. Without this, the page won't be made. Alright? And it has an ending tag, which is, an opening bracket, and after that a slash. It's always like these for many of the tags, because there's body, and after that there's head, and in head the tag comes title. Here's what will be put up in the title bar right here. What I mean, okay, fine, let us put it HTML tutorials. Fine. And it's the same ending tag as I said of HTML, but it's not HTML, it's /title. That's how we do it. And at the body we can have, let's say an image. For image, forget about the image, we'll put a paragraph. For paragraph, it starts with a P in brackets, and then this is my HTML tutorial website, and then you end it with the same format. And let's say this is the end of the body tag. We do it with the same format for the HTML, and then bring up the HTML back, and let's save it. And if you're saving it, do be sure to put this as all files, and name your file HTML tutorial.html. It should end with .html, or else it won't work. So you guys can save it and then get to it. HTML tutorials. I'll open up with Firefox because I use that, and you can see that this is my HTML tutorial, and here it will be written HTML tutorials. So there you have it. That is the very big basic stuff of HTML, but that's not it. Alright, so the next thing is the head tag, as I said. So immediately after opening the HTML tag, you'll find the head of the document, which is identified by opening and closing head tags, which is this, the opening head tag. This is the, oh my goodness, right, it's fine. This is the opening head tag. While this is the closing head tag. The difference between these are the closing ones have a slash before it. I mean, it's the same concept, but adding a slash before head. And the opening ones, there are no slashes. It's the same for the HTML, same for the body, same for the paragraph, and as well as title. They'll all be the same. So that's another basic, which is the head tag. And then comes the body tag, which I said body tag. It follows the head tag. All the visual and structural elements are contained within the body tag. That was a tongue slip. It means that all the design stuff will be inserted inside the body tag. I know I not put the HTML stuff. It's just for teaching you guys. Image source, for example, something tree.jpg. And for having these pictures into your website, you have to put this picture's exact name inside inverted commas, whatever it is, or quotes, and name the type of image file it is, JPG, PNG. There are many of them, so any of them, and then you can align it. Align is equal to center. Now what I did here is an attribute. An attribute, it defines what position something has to be in, or what size it is supposed to be in. That's what an attribute does of an HTML page. So we're done with the basic HTML document structure. We'll move on to creating our first HTML page. So you can use any text editor actually, but for creating your first web page, I prefer using NOTEPAD. It's a very helpful, text editor. And let's just make some page, like for example, let's just say I'm making a page on foods, different type of foods. Fine, just put the title as foods and close the title tag. And plus, there are different types of fonts which you guys can use. I mean, like, not fonts, type of how the paragraph will look like. That will be used only in the body tag. So we close head tag, start up the body tag. Let's put a paragraph. I love eating food. Well, that's a great paragraph to add in. Well, for this paragraph, if you want it to be bold, the text should be bold, then close it. And then do it for the same stuff, but before the closing of the paragraph tag. It's the same, but in different way. You close the bold tag. Now I'm gonna show you what happens if you do that. Close the body tag as well. Close the HTML tag. Save. Open it up. And then it will look like this. You see, it gets bold. So you can do the same exact stuff. It's just the same stuff. And if you guys want it as italic, use I over here as well. There are many different ways. Well, let's just say you have subscripted text as well. Sub. You guys can see the difference over here. You guys can see it. Just a minute. HTML tutorials. You see? That's subscripted. And you guys can also use big text, which makes the text look big. I don't know what's the difference between bold and big, but it's something. There's something different. Yep, it's not bold, it's big. Fine. So many of the stuff are same actually. For small text, just small, and then save it, check it, it's small. Many of them are same. For example, small, big. For bold text, it's just B. For italic, it's I. For strong text, it's strong. And subscripted, I just showed. Superscripted, there is inserted, and also a deleted. A deleted is actually cool. You guys have to see this. Deleted text. Well, a deleted text looks exactly like this. It looks like it's, cut off. it's not available right now. You guys can use it if you're promoting something, you know, giving away something. You guys can be like, it's gone, that's it, it's no longer in. And titles, head tag, body tag, that's not the only thing you can do. That's not only paragraphs are not allowed in it. You guys can use comments, headings. H1 makes it the biggest fonts. You know, there's H1, there's H2, H3, H4, H5, and as well as H6. These all make different kinds of, you know, sizes of the headers. So let us try out with H1, H2, all of them. H1, H2. Well, let's try only 3 of them for now. So let us put apples, bananas, and mangoes. Alright, wait, mangoes. And we end these the same way we end other tags. H2 with a slash, H3 as well with a slash, and then we save it. You guys can see the difference. See, H1 is the biggest font, size. H2 a little bit smaller than that, H3 even smaller than the H2. It goes like that in sequence, and coming to the end, H6 is last. Let's put it oranges. Fine. H6. Let's just save it and see the difference between H3 and H6. You see that? H3 and that's H6. Well, that will be the basics of HTML part 1. You guys will see the next episode as well. You guys have to see the next episode. And if you guys haven't watched the There Is No Game gameplay, you guys have to watch it. It's our previous video. And if you guys enjoy the video, do hit the subscribe button, as it gives us feedback and it allows us to make much more content for you guys. And also smash the like button until it breaks. And do comment in the comment section below which video games you want to see us play. And if this HTML tutorial video helped on making your website, please do leave a like. The next video will be out by tomorrow of HTML tutorials. So this might be 15 minutes long. No, it's 20 minutes long. Right, fine. Then I've got to wrap up this video. So guys and gamelings, I'll see you guys next time in a gameplay video and also a tutorial video. And once tutorial videos comes out, it means that you guys are going to have a gameplay video, but that's not going to happen today because we're late. The time's late over here, and I just have to edit this video and post this video, publish and I'll be going to sleep then. So to all you guys, good night, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Until then, take care.